Good morning. I'm Doug Wiedemeyer, Senior Director of Operations with Missouri Star Quilt Company here in Hamilton, Missouri, and I'm coming to you today with a Tuesday Newsday. The weather here in Hamilton is a beautiful and sunny 56 degrees. It's been a really nice week here lately after a couple of cold and rainy days in a row. We've got a good stretch of some nice weather leading up to and including today, which I'm very, very excited about. Coming up later this week is everyone's favorite trio for triple play. This week, the ladies will show you how to make 3 different runners with a half hexagon template.
It's going to be super fun. It's going to be super cute. This one was filmed in advance, so Jenny will be a part of this triple play. So, Doug, how long have you been with us?
Well, I've been with MSQC about a year and a half now, starting in June 2023.
Fun. What do you do?
Well, I run and lead the warehouses here in Hamilton. I've got a pick and pack and ship facility, which I'm coming to you live from, and our factory building just down the street.
Nice. So the warehouse is located here in Hamilton?
Indeed. The magic happens here in Hamilton, Missouri.
That's awesome. So Black Friday and Cyber Monday are coming up, and since you work in the warehouse, I know that's going to get pretty hectic, pretty crazy. Do you have anything that you and your staff are preparing for?
Yeah. To quote one of my favorite philosophers, some have hopes and dreams. We have ways and means. And with that, we're hiring and training additional staff. Make sure we've got all the elves here to help support picking, packing, shipping those orders to our customers. Preparing for some folks. I don't know if you knew this, but a lot of our leadership team from in and outside of Hamilton come into town for about a week or two to help keep up with all the volume from folks who order for the Christmas holiday. Getting ready for them, we're making sure all of our equipment works, we're shining things up, and getting ready for some of our busiest days to come. Most importantly, we're planning out my favorite part of the Christmas holiday, which is what we're doing for food. Each year we bring in meals for our team to, as a way of saying thank you and feed them during some of the busiest days. And it's a real privilege to be able to not only eat the food, but to be able to serve it and hand it out to the folks who spend so much time serving us and helping get orders out the building.
Yeah, that's going to be so fun. So I have to ask, what is your favorite Christmas food?
Oh, wow. So growing up, my mom would cook a Christmas Eve schmorg, as she would call it, a smorgasbord.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, and one of those things are these little miniature hot dogs that she cooks into like a homemade barbecue sauce, which top secret involves grape jelly.
Oh, really? That's so fun. I love that. Okay, so what are some of your... Do you prefer Thanksgiving or Christmas? I know that's a big question.
Ooh, that's a tough one. I think I prefer Christmas over Thanksgiving. I'm not originally from the Missouri area. I grew up in the Northeast, up in Massachusetts. So
Fun.
I enjoy getting to visit my family up there for Christmas, where everybody is together. And we get to check in on families, kids, nieces, nephews, moms, dads, grandmas, grandpas, uncles, aunts, and anything else I may have left out in that collection.
Yeah. So, I forgot my question. So, what's your favorite thing about Christmas? Is it the gifts? Is it the snow? Is it the family time?
Yeah, well, it's evolved. Obviously, when you think of yourself as a kid, the best part about it was making the list for Santa, right? Being as good as you possibly can for the days leading up to Christmas. Making your wish list. The excitement of opening up the presents the day of Christmas and getting to play with those new toys. As you get older, it becomes more about spreading joy to others. And for me, the best part of it is I have a 9-year-old son now. His name is Isaac. And just help him make his Christmas special as well.
That's awesome.
It's neat to see the joy on his face as we celebrate Christmas together.
So do you have any favorite holiday traditions you do for him or with him?
We do. So for Christmas Eve, obviously we get everything together. We lay out the carrots for reindeer, not up to and including Rudolph. We prepare some cookies, which are eaten by Santa or maybe me, who knows. And what my wife brought with me is we take some powdered sugar, and with this little strainer thingy, we make fake footprints in the snow around the tree, and it looks like Santa came down through the chimney to visit us.
That is amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
I love that. All right, well, anything else?
Just some good holiday traditions. So we enjoy Obviously we open up our stockings first before moving on to the presents. I think that's fairly traditional. One thing my family also enjoys is scratch tickets.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we buy them for all. It starts with my parents buy them for myself, my wife, my brother, and his wife. And 99 times out of 100, we don't win. But one time, it was a couple of years ago. My mom's a prankster. She likes to do all kinds of things to add light to any situation. So she found like a trick scratch ticket that said that the person won like $50,000 or whatever.
Oh my
and
gosh!
Gave it to my sister-in-law, and just had the greatest time watching her scratch it and faux celebrate. And then she had to let her down that it was not real.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, a lot of emotions going up and down that day.
Quite a roller coaster.
Yeah, not entirely sure that my sister-in-law has yet forgiven her for that one.
I don't know that I would either, honestly. That's pretty rough.
Brutal.
No, yeah, but that's gonna be super fun. I'm really excited for the holidays coming up. Have you put your tree up yet? Sorry.
Not yet. We've shifted from artificial to a real tree the last couple of years. So we'll wait a little bit closer to the holiday so that it doesn't turn into a womp womp Charlie Brown tree. All the needles falling down.
Yes.
So we'll get a little closer to Thanksgiving, I think, before we go pick that up.
Okay.
Yeah. Get to see what ornaments survived a year in the attic. And which Christmas lights still blink and which ones don't. I'm sure there'll be a mixed bag there. And then, maybe I'll get up on the roof this year, start attaching some lights. We'll see.
That'll be fun. Yeah.
Danger is my middle name.
Oh my gosh. Well, be careful. Be safe.
Will do.
I usually wait till I have the motivation to put my Christmas tree up. Mm-hmm. And then I know so we posted the other day, do you put your Christmas tree up before or after Thanksgiving? And everybody had all their, what is right, what is not. And I put it up when I get motivation, and then I usually leave it up until after Valentine's Day because I don't know. I have the motivation to put it up is like, it's fun, it's Christmas, it's exciting. To take it down is like, oh, that's a lot of work.
Yeah, it's very pretty too. And you got some of the darker weeks, right? The sun going down, so it's neat to have the Christmas lights still shining. Yeah, so the challenge for me, the challenge is not only when do I put the Christmas tree up, it's when do the Halloween lights come down.
Oh, yes.
So my birthday's Halloween, so that's
so
something
fun.
I try to celebrate as long as I possibly can.
That's so fair.
I don't know if my neighbors like it as much as I do, but we'll see.
That's okay. If they don't like it, they can
Christmas is
pivot.
coming. Yep.
All right, well, I think that's just about it. Thank you for joining us for Tuesday Newsday.
Thank you for having me on this Tuesday Newsday, and everybody have a great holiday.